Hi everyone! Today's a gorgeous day, and I felt inspired to make some homemade rosemary serum. Come with me as I gather some fresh rosemary from our hillside. Let's get picking! Isn't it gorgeous? And that smell? So fresh and clean. But did you know this stuff isn't just for cooking? It's actually amazing for your hair. I'm going to show you how to make an awesome rosemary hair serum. And the best part is it's super easy and totally natural. First things first, we gotta give these sprigs a good rinse. Now for the magic potion. Grab a pot, toss in your rosemary, and cover it with water. I'm using distilled water because it's the purest, but filtered water works too. Rosemary's got stuff called antioxidants and anti-inflammatories that are awesome for your scalp. They help your hair grow stronger and healthier. Bring that to a boil. Then turn down the heat and let it simmer for about half an hour. This lets all those good things in the rosemary seep into the water. Let's talk about why rosemary is so awesome for your hair. It's got these things called antioxidants that protect your hair from damage. Plus, it boosts circulation in your scalp, which brings more nutrients to your hair follicles, so they can grow stronger and healthier. Some people even say it helps with hair loss. Okay, our potion is ready. Let it cool down completely. Then strain out the rosemary sprigs. You can toss those in your compost or use them in your cooking. Now pour your rosemary water into a spray bottle. That's it, your own homemade hair serum. Just spray this on your scalp every day, give it a little massage, and let the rosemary work its magic. With regular use, you might notice your hair getting stronger, shinier, and maybe even growing a bit faster. Naturally.